Hey, so today I wanted to take you with me to Crate and Barrel, one of my favorite stores, to see what they have in or just get some inspiration because I love the simplicity, the clean lines in here. So I always go in here anytime I'm in the area. All right, so they have a lot of great living room sets, sofas, different things. This one right here is the Oceanside collection. So a lot of their line is going to be just clean, simple, just really nice pieces that will fit in with a lot of different homes and decors. If you are big on that slip cover look, different things like that, you can do linens in your dining room. I'm scared to do linens in my dining room. They have a lot of nice dining pieces. They have dishes and place settings, kitchen gadgets, all kind of things like that too, that you can just complete a whole look. I like their armoire pieces, like the cabinet pieces that they have. A lot of clean, simple pieces. So I love Crate and Barrel. And like I said, if you don't like the price range, you can just really use them too for inspiration. And then they have their other store, CB2, which a lot of the pieces look similar to this, but like a more of a modern look to it. So the color scheme is going to be like a little bit different in some of the pieces, but I love both of the stores. And just like most furniture stores, you're going to be able to pick between the fabrics, different things when you are picking out your pieces. So even though a lot of the pieces in the showroom are like a white or a cream, you can pick other colors. They do have darker colors that you can pick from. And if you notice, a lot of the pieces that they have for styling, just large chunky pieces, which are great, especially if you have the space because you don't need to overcrowd it. They have some great looking rugs too. This was like the nursery section. So these are like nursery chairs, but honestly, this one right here, I think could fit in with different spaces too. You don't have to just use it in the nursery, but they did have it displayed like in the nursery section. So you can have a chair in there. They even have one that had the outlet, like so you can plug in like your phone and charge your phone there. So just a few good options if you are looking for chairs too. I love their mirrors, and believe it or not, they're not overpriced. They are great pieces, and to me, they are an affordable price for like statement mirrors. They have even some bigger ones too, but you can grab a really nice mirror from here and get you a nice simple wall mirror. Home accessories, like I said, they have from these pieces, and if you'll notice, you'll see around the showroom a lot of these same pieces. They just use them in different ways. They pair them differently, and it just makes a nice statement. I love the details in the front of this collection right here. So it's like a honeycomb pattern that they have on this right here. And it kind of gives me a retro vibe too. But I do like this bar cabinet right here, especially when you open it up, you'll be able to see that you can store your glasses in there so you can hang those upside down. But it is just a really nice bar. I wish it was smaller because I don't have space for that tall of a bar cart, but I love that one. This sofa, love it, love it. It looks so soft and buttery, but then you see the thin arms on it. Just thought it was really nice, like a nice option. And again, you can get it in other leather options. They have office items, so you can get desk here. And again, just nice pieces that I like the lines in them. They have office chairs or side chairs, whatever you might be looking for. You can use these in your living room, in your office, a lot of different places. But just yeah, I love the simplicity of the pieces because they can fit in with a lot of different styles and areas. Love this bed. RH had a bed similar to this. I just love this look of the bed. It's just something clean and simple. And then I love how they paired it with the two pieces on the bottom there. And again, you can pick different fabrics. So they have, the sun wasn't working with me right then, but they have a lot of pieces where just the details, so the curved archiness makes this so cute, and you can see the handles match that, the curvature in these sofas and stuff. These were really big, and then they have that fabric that everybody loves, but just a lot of pieces that are on trend, but I think can still last just the way that they are made. And then you see the details in this table right here. They also have the same details in other items, so your pieces can match together, which I think is great, especially if you're buying pieces that you want to keep for a long time. So you can see that coffee table matches with this dining table, and the sofa matches with the chairs. So you can really just make a nice cohesive look in your home. I get a lot of wall art inspiration from here too. So you can use them, like I said, if you don't like the price, just for, inspiration. But they do have a lot of great pieces that, like I said, I think would fit in with a lot of different homes and a lot of different styles. You see kind of this is like a play on that rattan type look, but it's different. It's not the rattan, it's like a woven texture. So I think that is great. They have a ton of bed options, just so many great options at Crate and Barrel. And you can see this here, it's shown in a fabric, but you can get leather options in this. So you can switch up one thing for another thing. So if you see something you like, you might be able to get it in a leather option, which is great. At my Crate and Barrel, they had a little section with a few final sale pieces. So you can catch some deals here because I think these are like the floor samples, but you can catch some deals and save some money by picking up these pieces because they looked in great condition to me, but they had a little discount. So if you are in the store, you might want to stop by this section and see what they have when you're there. And then this is just showing you some of the rug options that they do have. You can see just a ton of different rug options, different fabric options. So you can really just customize pieces to look how you want them to look, because you can pick your rug size, and there's so many different ways you can do it. And you can configure these pieces in different ways. So you can get and make it smaller. You can make it bigger. You can make it to how you want it to look. That's the great thing with these type of sofa pieces also, because you don't have to stick with one size. More great office finds, and again, just like some simple pieces, but then they also kind of give me that retro look. But the colors, like I said, can play in with a lot of different homes, different styles. So Crate and Barrel, if you have not been in a while, you might want to take a trip over there or just check out their website and see some options, or like I said, get some inspiration, because they just really do the looks in the showroom just so pretty, and give you so many ideas of how you might want to do your home. And then these statement mirrors, still love these. And if you have the wall space for these are great. They are so just grand, and they just make a great statement.